Do you dream of modern country living? This custom-built, classy home sits on 2 immaculate acres in Northwest Montrose, and it's show and tell time. With mature landscaping all around, this backyard feels like your own private retreat, perfect for finding a little peace and quiet after a long day. The kitchen is beautifully done with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a thoughtful design that makes cooking and gathering easy. Need to work from home? This property has a designated office with a file cabinet and supply closet, giving you a quiet and productive workspace. Are you looking to buy or sell? Then give us a shout. We don't make a lot of noise about ourselves, but we sure do like to do some chest thumping over you and your property.